and my reporting on a short seller who has targeted the medical device maker Penumbra, whose shares are now down significantly. Take a look here today, down by more than 14%. That is after Quintessential Capital Management and its principal, Gabriel Grego, released a letter it sent to the FDA today, alleging that the company's primary product, a flex catheter called Jet 7, has a known safety risk and can result in injury or even death. The letter follows a more substantive short report that Quintessential released on November 10th, saying the device is, quote, structurally flawed and prone to malfunction. It's alleged that 18 deaths and 39 injuries are related to that device. After that first report, the stock fell from $273 to $205, that within a few weeks. At that time, the company had responded to the original allegations, saying, quote, we have full confidence in our product, which has been used in tens of thousands of cases to successfully remove clot from ischemic stroke patients. Penumbra updated its instructions for use in accordance with its procedures that follow quality system regulations and other international standards. That's just one part of the story, though. In addition to today's letter to the FDA, Quintessential also today released a new short report containing another explosive allegation that Penumbra knowingly deceived the FDA and regulators through an elaborate scheme that included creating a fake persona to author favorable clinical studies on its Jet 7 device. The short seller alleging that the person doesn't actually exist and that the real author of that report is the company's co-founder and chief scientist, Arani Bose. Quintessential says in today's report, quote, a substantial portion of scientific literature produced by Penumbra appears to have been authored by a fictional character in a sophisticated, multi-year gross deception. Mr. Grego of Quintessential also filed a whistleblower report with the SEC. He has the receipt to prove that. He alleges that the company created a fictional character named Dr. Antique Bose, complete with a fake LinkedIn page, a phony resume, and a trove of other fraudulent information, including faked and superimposed photos. They claim the alleged Bose character purports to be a billionaire living in Seattle and say none of his credentials check out. The firm says the company created the fake persona to distance itself from management and regulators as questions about the device started to escalate. Quintessential is calling on the company's CEO, Adam Elsesser, and Arani Bose to resign. We have reached out to Penumbra, and we have a statement from the company I'd like to read to you right now. They say the attack by sleazy short sellers, QSM, reads like an internet conspiracy written by teenagers. It is impossible to dispute the facts because there are no facts. Penumbra feels very comfortable stating that none of the allegations in this short seller's diatribe are accurate. The claims are nothing but a baseless campaign by shameless short sellers who are willing to risk lives in order to make a quick profit. For more than 16 years, Penumbra's innovative medical devices have helped save the lives of hundreds of thousands of patients facing life-threatening medical conditions. Now, interestingly, just this morning, the company held an investor call with Bank of America. I'm told the issue never came up. And just yesterday, a Canaccord analyst maintained a buy rating on shares of Penumbra with a price target of $292. That is where we currently stand. The stock, as you see, is down just about 15%.